Hello, I'm Justine, and welcome to Digital Symmetry. Today, we're going to be using Photoshop's Symmetry tool to create a mandala like this. I'll tell you more in the video, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is open a new canvas. So you're going to go to File, New, or you can use the Command N to open a new canvas. You'll come to this window, and for your mandalas, I like to go high res. You can get more detail, so 300 DPI resolution, and I like to go square, so I'm gonna go 12 inches by 12 inches and hit create. Now we have our canvas. First thing you want to do is create a new transparent layer. You can do this by hitting Shift Command N or Shift Control N on a PC. Or you can use this icon right here to create a new layer. Next thing you're going to want is to make sure that you have your brush selected. You can do this by hitting B on your keyboard or hitting this icon right here. I like to use the hard round pressure size. You can use whatever brush you want. I'm using a pen tablet, so the pressure size works well for me. Now, in order to access Photoshop's symmetry features, with the brush tool selected, we need to hit this icon right here. There are lots of different options. You can try any of these out, but what we're looking for today is the mandala option. Click that, and you'll get a box that pops up that says Mandala Symmetry. You can divide your canvas up to 10. I typically like to go for 4, so we're gonna go for 4 today. Now you can leave this in the middle of your canvas, or I like to pull it to the edges, and if you hold your Shift key, it will use the dynamic guides to automatically snap to the edges of your canvas. Now that you're done, commit them by either hitting this check right here or by hitting Return or Enter on your keyboard. Now we're ready to get started. Now, because we have our symmetry turned on, everything that we draw will show up in all 4 quadrants. The way that the symmetry works is what number you put in for the divisions is doubled. So we said 4. So truly our divisions are 8. So each quadrant has 2 divisions. Now I'm going to set up a time lapse, and you can go to work doing whatever design you want. One thing that's really good about art is you can just doodle. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Not all art is made to just be shown to the world. Sometimes it's really good to just make art for yourself. It's okay to be messy sometimes. You could scribble whatever you want. One of the best tools is to hit Command Z whenever you want. Now let's turn the symmetry off. And we can add some additional interest by changing the color of the line work. We can do that by going to Effects, Color Overlay, and we can change the color of the line work. Here we can see our line work and it's set to black. We can change the color to be something more along the lines of one of the colors that we were using. I really like this blue right here. We can adjust it and make it a little darker so it's not the exact same. Let's hit OK. We can add a background layer. We can make it a really light blue to stay in our trend. I'll make my brush really big and we'll just fill it in. Now, I think this looks pretty good. I know it's not perfect. There are a lot of weird little hairs and ends, and I can even go back in and clean that up. But I think the point of this exercise is to, be as meditative as possible, and don't worry about producing art for other people. You're doing this for yourself. Comment below and tell me how you used the symmetry function in Photoshop. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications next time I post a video. Thank you. This is Digital Symmetry, and I'll see you next time.